Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and we are going to clean this entire house today. Fridays and Mondays are my big cleaning days. It's kind of setting up the house for the weekend and recovering from the weekend because I'm either not home or I'm wearing my lazy pants and just relaxing on the weekends. This dining room is only used on the weekends when me and my husband we sit and chat over tea. Before kids were born, we used to sit around 3 to 4 hours non-stop and chat over a cup of tea. Believe me, we did our entire financial and family planning over such tea talks, when, where, etc. But such days are gone as now we only spend time with kids as mommy and daddy.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play.
While I'm cleaning, both kids are playing around me, and for some reason, they love to play under the dining table. I do all my house chores while kids are around. It takes much longer, and it is a little stressful to get something done with them. But now I have learned one thing: if something stresses you out, do more of it. So I make sure I do every chore with them and rest when they are resting. It takes patience and practice, but it's so worth it.
The night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
I like to mop floor without any bucket. I spray disinfectant using a spray bottle and mop the floor. I rinse the mop in between in my laundry room, but mopping bucketless is so convenient. I think you should try it once for sure.
Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like.
Next, I have decided to tackle my kids' toys. They are literally everywhere in their playroom, kitchen, living room, everywhere. I'm thinking to buy a basket for living room and kitchen and dump all the toys lying on the floor in those bins. At least we won't step on a block and go ouch. I'm not sure if you guys noticed our new rug. It's much bigger and of course better than what we had before. Kids love to play here with their daddy at night. They especially like to hide in their play tent and want daddy to find them. I'm thinking to actually replace this play tent with a cubby house sometime this year. It's a DIY project, so I want to take my time to plan and execute it, but definitely want to create a nice cubby for the kids.
Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. Ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.
I always like to take breaks in between cleaning or any house chore to cuddle and spend a little bit of time with my kids so that they have a little bit of motivation to continue playing and let me continue with my work.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking
Now, so that I have vacuumed the living room, I have a massive job to do. And if you guys follow me, you would know it's my least favorite job, which is folding laundry. I have actually two loads of laundry to fold, and I'm already stressing about doing it. To fold my laundry, I keep it simple. I just separate them into different piles, one for each family member, fold them and keep them away pile by pile as I fold them. So boring, and which is why I do it, because just in case have to stop in between, I don't have like piles of laundry just lying on the floor. And I actually hate laundry folding, and which is why I always procrastinated. So, this is the easiest way I've found. So now I'm done with dining and living room. I have already made the beds in the morning before I actually started filming. So now only kitchen is left, which I'll do in the later half of the day as my kids are now tired and hungry. So now I'll go and attend my babies, their food, bath, and nap, and then in the later half I will continue with my Monday cleaning, which is cleaning my kitchen, especially the floor. So, guys, it's late afternoon right now. Kids have already woken up from their nap and have had their snack. I have an hour before I start making dinner, so I'll clean the kitchen ASAP. I will first vacuum and later mop. I mop using my mopping machine once a week, and that is on Mondays. My 1 year old always like to come and hang on me while I'm doing any household chore. I find it so cute, but all he wants is mommy. And sometimes it's annoying as well because I can't get a lot done. Literally, he wants to hang on to me, my leg all the time. My back has started to hurt so much picking him all the time. So I'm discouraging it a little these days.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
I use this door hanging swing and my baby enjoys on it while I get some work done, especially when I'm making rotis. I definitely put him on this swing. Kitchen is the only room in the house where we spend a lot of time throughout the day, and it is high traffic area. So I vacuum this room at least twice a day. Another reason why I vacuum it twice is because my kids drop a lot of food while eating. So I have to clean it at least twice. I don't know when would that time come when they will stop dropping the food on the floor. I actually always tell my kids, તમે બંને કચરાનો ડબ્બા છો કે શું? કેટલો કચરો કરો છો? If you're good, you know what I'm saying. Now I'll mop the floor using my Hoover mopping machine. I really like its performance. It sucks as well as vacuum mop. So it never shifts dirt from one corner to the other, and also scrub the tiles while mopping. But the only downside is it's tedious and slow, which is why I only mop with this once a week. And I use stick mop for in between mopping.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I know just what you are. Seems like you're type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gonna still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest one I've ever seen. All night, all wild, howling at the moon. You've got me in a place unknown, free falling and I'm letting go. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving
guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any video requests for me, please leave a comment in my community section. As I always say, comments are disabled on my channel temporarily. I hope you have an amazing day, and bye for now.
Say, say